Today, I'll be showing you guys how to do highlight French tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Okay, you guys, we're going to start with the thumb, and you're going to paint the free edge of your natural nails and do this until you're finished. Follow me on Instagram. Check out the cards at the top of the screen and check out the videos on the end screen. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.